Good morning, students. Again, I am here with your English Prime. Now, earlier I have sent you a video of chapter 6. Now, students, this is the revised video of chapter 6 with integrated learning and teaching materials. Okay, students? Now, see, chapter 6, written by Helen H. Moore. Students, your chapter 6 chapter name is Crayons, and this is a poem. Okay? Now first, let's read the poem. I had a box of crayons, all shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend one crayon, and oops, it broke in two. My friend said she was sorry, but I said I don't care. 'Cause now we both can color, with one crayon we can share. Now students, see, let me explain the poem. This poem is based on friendship. In this, we see a little girl, Millie, who shares her things with her friend. In this poem also, we can see that she shares her crayons with her friend. Now, what Millie is saying, I had a box of crayons, all shiny, straight and new. Millie has got a box of crayons. Crayons is a type of color you all know. And she has got a new box of crayons in which all colors are shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend one crayon and oops, it broke in two. Lent means student, lent means to give something to someone for a short period of time. So, whenever we used to give our things to anyone, we used to take it back now. Some of you might be giving your pencil, giving your eraser or sharpener to your friend, and after his work is done, you used to take it back, right? So, this is the meaning of lent. Now, I lent a friend one crayon and oops, it broke in two. Millie gave her friend one of the crayons. And what happened? The color broke in two. My friend said she was sorry, but I said I don't care. After breaking the crayons, Millie's friend said, sorry. You also used to say sorry na whenever you do mistake. In the same way, Millie's friend also said sorry after breaking the crayons. But what Millie said? Millie said that she don't care. She doesn't care. Why she doesn't care? Because now we both can color with one crayon. We can share. Earlier, they used to share one color. Now, when the color was broken, it became two. Now, with two colors, they both can color together, or you can say they both can share. Right? I think you all have understood the poem. Okay, students? Now, students, I want to tell you something about crayons. Crayons, the color by which you used to make drawings. I am going to tell you something about that. How crayons are made. See, crayons are made from paraffin. And what is paraffin? Paraffin is a waxy substance. Waxy means made up of wax. But this substance is derived from wood coal or petroleum. This waxy substance we get from either wood or coal or petroleum. Now, from this paraffin, your color crayons are made. This is non-colored. Non-colored means this paraffin is not of any color. It's not of any color. When we used to make crayons, we used to add color in it. After that, it becomes of different colors. Whatever color we want to make, we used to add that color in the paraffin, and after that crayons are made. Understood? Now, next is the number of crayons. Students, see, crayons were only made for school students. Crayons were only made for school students. And the first box, which was made in 1903, was only of 8 colors. In 1903, first box of crayons was made in which only 8 colors were there, and those colors were red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, brown and black. Right, students? First box was made in 1903 and it was only of 8 colors. Now, in 1949, they increased the number of colors and it became 48 colors. In a box, there were 48 crayons. Now, again in 1958, the number of crayons increased and it became 64 colors in a box. Again in 1993, the numbers increased and in a box we start getting 96 different colors in a box. Okay, students? In a box we start getting 96 different colors. Now, sometimes we used to see that children are eating the crayons. Many times we have seen that small children used to eat the colors. But we should not worry because it's non-toxic, means it's not harmful. The colors which are added in the crayons or the paraffin by which the crayons are made, it's not harmful. So we shouldn't worry about the colors or we shouldn't worry about the students who eat the crayons. But it doesn't mean that you eat whole color. It's not harmful. It doesn't mean that you used to eat the whole box. You shouldn't do like this, okay? Now, next, the most interesting thing is that you can make your own crayons. I think you all are happy. You can make your own crayons at home. The old crayons, whatever old crayons you have kept at your home, you can break into small pieces and heat it on the gas. But you have to heat it in a pot or a pan. Put all the small pieces in a pan and heat it on the gas. When the colors start heating, it starts melting. After melting, all the colors will mix up in one, and when it melts, you can put it in the mold. A beautiful mold you can get. You can put the liquid crayons in it and let it cool completely. After cooling, when you will take out it from the mold, you will get a beautiful shape of crayon. So in this way you can make your own crayons at your home. So students, I have told you about crayons, if they are harmful or not, how crayons are made, how you can make crayons, number of crayons in a boxes, the different colors of crayons, and by whom or for whom these crayons were made, who can use these crayons. So I've told you everything. I think you all have understood. Now some difficult words also I have given, which you have to write in your copy 2 times. See, I also have written 2 times. First one is crayons, and the spelling is CRAYONS, crayons. Second is shiny, SHINY, shiny. Third is straight, STRAIGHT, straight. Fourth is lent, LENT, lent. Fifth is oops, OOPS, oops. Sixth one is broke, BROKE, broke. Seventh is sorry, SORRY, sorry. Eighth one is care, CARE, care. Ninth is both, BOTH. And the last 10th one is share, SHARE, share. So you have to write all these 10 words in your copy and learn all the words with spelling. Now students, see, I have given one simple drawing in front of difficult words. This drawing you have to make in your copy. If you can make this, you can do this also, or if not, you can make any other drawing of your choice, but you have to make. It's compulsory. You have to make one drawing and color it with crayons in your copy. Okay? Now some word meanings are there. First one is lent, LENT, lent. Lent means gave something to someone for a short time. And second one is cause. Cause is short form of because. So you have to learn this word meaning also. Now your homework is to read and learn the poem. Second one, learn all difficult words and word meaning with spellings. And third one, you have to draw a picture of your choice and color it with crayons on the page where lesson 6 starts. I have told you earlier also, where you start chapter 6, you have to draw a picture of your choice or whatever drawing I have given you in the copy. Okay? Thank you.